Today we're going to be making some moon sand, and all you need is 3 different things. So you're going to get a tub. Like it doesn't matter what size you want, it just depends on how much of the moon sand you're going to make. You need some flour, also depending on how much you're making, and some baby oil.
So we're going to be making a little bit. So let's bring up a little bit.
You're going to dump the flour into the bowl.
And then we're going to add some baby oil.
And as you're adding the baby oil, you can mix the flour with the oil to start to create the sand. You'll know when it's ready when, do you want to show? When it feels like it's breaking apart in your hand. This is a great stress reliever because it's a good sensory thing to do. And you could add food dye to make it a little more fun, or add little objects in there and find them with the sand. And that's how you make moon sand.